Friends, the constitution of our beloved country India was adopted on the 26th of November 1949. The Constituent Assembly of India implemented it in India from the 26th of January 1950. The most important committee of the Constituent Assembly was the Drafting Committee, whose chairman was Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. The main task of this drafting committee was to create a constitution for India. This drafting committee of India had observed the constitutions of about 60 countries, and whatever provisions could be suitable for India, they were included in the Constitution of India. Friends, in today's video I will tell you the provisions taken from different countries of the world which were included in the Constitution of India. First of all, we will know what we have adopted from the Constitution of America in our Constitution. So friends, we have included the fundamental rights in our Constitution from the Constitution of America. We have adopted the integrated judiciary system of India in our Constitution. The post of Vice President and the process of impeachment to remove the President from his post have also been adopted by us from America. The provision of judicial review of the Supreme Court has also been taken from the Constitution of America. Friends, the second country is Britain. Britain ruled India for about 400 years. So, due to this, we have adopted some provisions from the Constitution of Britain in our Constitution. For example, the form of parliamentary government has been taken from the Constitution of Britain. The process of rule of law has been adopted, and the legislative process of law-making in India has also been adopted from the Constitution of Britain. There is a provision of single citizenship in India, and we have adopted this single citizenship from the Constitution of Britain. The cabinet system in India has also been adopted from the Constitution of Britain, and the bicameral system is there. Like there are two houses of parliament, the upper house is Rajya Sabha and the lower house is Lok Sabha. Similarly, there are two houses of the legislature in the states, Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. So we have adopted this bicameral system from the Constitution of Britain. The third country is Germany. We have adopted emergency provisions in our Indian Constitution from Germany. For example, if there is an emergency on any financial situation, the President of India can impose a financial emergency. In case of war, external aggression, national emergency is declared, and in case of failure of constitutional machinery in the states, President's rule is declared in the states of India. We have adopted the process of constitutional amendment in the Constitution of India from the Constitution of South Africa. We have adopted the fundamental duties and the ideals of justice in the preamble, the concept of social, economic and political justice from the Constitution of the Soviet Union. We have adopted the subjects of the concurrent list from the Constitution of Australia and freedom of trade, commerce and intercourse. Friends, whatever subjects are there in the 8th schedule of the Constitution, they have been divided into union government, state government and concurrent list. Both the center and the state have the right to make laws on the subjects of the concurrent list. We have adopted the directive principles of state policy and the method of election of the president from the Constitution of Ireland. We have adopted the union with a strong center and the residual powers which are vested in the center from the Constitution of Canada. The governors of the states in India are appointed by the center. We have adopted this process from the Constitution of Canada.